Hello, this is Scott Baceno at Misco Expo 2010. I'm talking to Paul Clark, who's the General Manager of Plantronics in the UK. Hi, Paul.
I am Scott, hi.
So, Plantronics generally associated with sort of Bluetooth headsets and that sort of thing. Wouldn't necessarily assume I'd see you here at an event that's sort of aimed at sort of, I don't know, certain sort of SMB type of customers and end users, but obviously there is a reason. Can you tell us a bit about why you're here?
Yeah, big reason, Scott. I mean, Plantronics, we make headsets for anyone, in fact, who wants to have an audio solution. We actually predominantly are historically known as a contact center company. We make headsets for professional grades, all day.
That's a good point, actually. I've got to correct myself. I have interviewed some of your colleagues before and been corrected on that point. It shows I'm a slow learner.
Well, actually, nowadays, that's not the majority of our business. The majority of our business is outside the contact center. We do make Bluetooth headsets, for sure. We've been making them since about the mid-2000s. But actually, where we're seeing the biggest growth in our business today is in cordless, not Bluetooth in deck, and that's in business use, people in offices. So people in offices are the ones who are really adopting new...
So these are sort of headsets they keep on sort of most of the time?
They put them on for an hour if they're on for a conference call. In fact, that's probably the biggest driver we're seeing is people on conference calls, and more of our time we're spending on those things. You put a headset on, you can be in the conference call, but you can do other things at the same time. Really makes your life that much easier.
And how have you found the show? Is that useful for you?
It's been a fantastic show. The great thing about the Misco show for Plantronics is we really get to touch our customers. We get to speak to them, we get to hear the problems they've got, and most often than not, we can solve a problem that they might be having, not related to headsets, but just in how they're going about their work. So it's a fantastic opportunity for us. We love it coming in.
So there's a distinct sort of solution sell thing going on there.
Absolutely right.
And is there anything in particular they've been asking you about at the show?
Most people have been asking, actually what we've just talked about in conference calls, most people are familiar with unified communications. They may not be installing big unified communications solutions themselves, but they're finding themselves more out and about. They're finding themselves on the phone longer, talking to other people who are out and about, and they want some help doing that. And of course, a headset's a perfect solution if you're going to be speaking to somebody, most of your day. So
brilliant. Okay, thanks a lot, Paul.
Thank you.
So I was talking to Paul Clark from Plantronics at Misco Expo 2010.